Top Business Intelligence Interview Questions and Answers for 2025. A business intelligence manager is essential to turning unstructured data into useful knowledge. They are in charge of ignoring the gathering, evaluating, and interpreting of data that aids in organizational decision-making. This tutorial will assist you in obtaining that business intelligence. Competencies needed to.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
To be business intelligence manager. Skills to simplify complicated data, connect dots and identify patterns, and transform raw data into valuable business awareness. Foundational knowledge in BI software such as Power BI, Tableau, and SQL, and strong knowledge of data warehousing and ETL. Skill to lead by projects toward business success, predict trends, and aid in long-term decision-making. Ability to guide by teams, coordinate with the cross-functional departments, and communicate with stakeholders. Deep understanding of the working of businesses, KPIs, and industry dynamics to have data-driven strategies that are relevant and powerful. First-level business intelligence interview questions. 1. Describe business intelligence and its importance. Business intelligence is the use of technology to analyze data and support decision-making. It helps companies obtain useful insights to increase productivity and achieve goals. 2. In your perspective, what is benchmarking and why is it significant? Benchmarking refers to assessing and comparing a company's operations with that of its market leaders so as to establish measures and enhance the performance of your company. 3. How are data privacy and compliance challenges solved in your BI programs? Data privacy and compliance issues are resolved through the use of robust data encryption and access controls, regular review and revision of policies, and ongoing compliance with relevant data protection regulations. 4. Explain data mining's relation to business intelligence. Patterns in big datasets are found through data mining. It finds patterns and connections that help BI decision-makers make well-informed choices. In business intelligence, it not only enhances predictive analysis accuracy but also provides customer behavior analysis. Moving on to intermediate-level computer science questions. Intermediate-level computer intelligence interview questions. 1. How to structure SQL code for maintainability and collaboration in BI teams? For collaboration, ease and ease of maintenance, SQL code must be formatted with standardized layouts, good inline comments, modularization in terms of reusable functions and views, proper use of version control, peer review of code, and observance of naming conventions. 2. What approaches are taken to deal with massive data migrations in BI projects? Dealing with mass data migrations in business intelligence BI projects in an efficient manner involves various important strategies. Detailed source-to-target mapping. Firm and prudent mapping ensures data integrity as well as consistency during the data transfer process. Incremental data loads. Transferring massive amounts of data is minimized through effort and risk by using incremental data loads, which move data in partial amounts based on strict data validation and reconciliation. After migration, the data needs to be carefully validated to avoid incompleteness and inaccuracy of data. Extensive testing in staging environments. Testing within an environment similar to production prior to actual deployment assists in finding and fixing problems. Well-defined rollback procedures. Undoing in case of unexpected failure relies on keeping rollback procedures well documented. Regular stakeholder communication. Periodic updates keep everyone involved in sync as well as informed throughout the migration process. 3. How can complex SQL queries be optimized for large datasets? OLTP and LAP are two different methods of handling data processing. OLAP is based on analysis, whereas OLTP handles day-to-day transactions. 4. Which business intelligence tools are popular? Well-known by technologies are made to make data analysis and reporting easier. These tools enable companies to obtain insights that can be put to use. Some of the popular business intelligence tools include Power BI, which is Microsoft's interactive visualization tool, Tableau, which is famous for its intuitive dashboards as well, and ClickView, which offers associative data modeling. Advanced level business intelligence interview questions. 1. What is ad hoc reporting? Direct response. Ad hoc reporting meets unique and urgent information demands by allowing users to generate reports as needed without depending on preset templates. It offers more than just reporting freedom, but it also addresses current commercial concerns. 2. What is the function of data analysis expressions (DAX) in Power BI? A sophisticated language for building calculated columns and measures in Power BI is called DAX. It enables you to do sophisticated computations and data analysis right in Power BI. Key applications. DAX can be used to create new columns that leverage data from existing columns to do computations. DAX helps build custom measures, which aid with insights through calculations like averages, totals, or percentages. Time intelligence, date and time-related calculations, such as year-to-date, YTD, or moving averages, are performed with the help of DAX. 3. What are cloud-based BI tools? Cloud-based BI tools provide scalability, affordability, and simplicity to international teams. One of the best advantages is being able to match changing data requirements. 4. How do BI tools and machine learning coexist? Machine learning creates a more rigorous benchmark for business intelligence solutions through automated predictions, uncovering hidden patterns, and the delivery of insightful information. Power BI Business Intelligence Interview Questions. 1. Describe Power BI. Microsoft created Power BI, a business analytics program that allows you to transform a lot of various data sources into dynamic and intelligent information. 2. What is Power BI architecture? Power BI architecture consists of a number of components that interact to make data visualization and analysis possible. They include: Power BI Desktop is used for creating, editing, and publishing reports, the primary tool for report creation. Power BI Service, for reading and remote sharing of reports online, this is a cloud-based platform that helps secure data transfer from Power BI to on-premises data sources is made possible by the Power BI Gateway.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.